Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In today's video, we will learn on how to Dropbox a video file. It's an easy and simple process. All you gotta do is watch this video till the end without skipping. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Dropbox. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as dropbox.com. In my case, it's the first one. Since I have already logged into my Dropbox account, I was directly routed to the homepage. If you haven't yet, go ahead and log into your Dropbox account. Then you will be seeing the same interface. Now to Dropbox a video file, you can tap on Create or you can directly tap on Upload or Drop. Then tap on File. And now you need to select the video file that you want to Dropbox. For example, let's say I want to upload this file x2. And guys, there you have it. We have successfully Dropboxed a video file. And that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up to let me know and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update, and feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.